to our channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing an air dry clay kit. So let's get started. So today I'm with my brother and we're going to be unboxing this together. So it has all the original colors of the rainbow, and it comes also with like different type of colors like peach and gray and white. And it also comes with some utensils, you can see right there, and it also comes with some things that you can attach the clay on. So let's open it up. It's just, oh, okay. Let's see here, let's take out some of the clay. Okay, let's just dump it. There. So I just took out the first column of clay. We have pink. On the camera, it kind of looks white. But we got really light pink, really light pink. We got peach. We have white. We have a really rosy dark red. Let's see. Let's take out some more things from here. Oh, we got a packet of some stuff. We'll be opening that later. These are the utensils. Do you mind opening this? Thank you. Okay. Okay. It comes with this thingy and this thingy. These are really hot pink utensils. It also comes with this, I thought it was almost a straw, and like that thingy, and a cutting plastic knife. Was not that sharp though. So we can try to get some of the stuff in there, almost everything in there. Let's take out some more things, more clay. Okay, all the clay. There you go. Let's move that. Now we have red, we have orange, we have gray, yellow, bright, yes, sunny yellow. We have turquoise-ish green, black, and we have navy blue. Oh, and almost forgot, purple. So today I'm going to be using all these clays. I ordered these clays because I wanted to make stuff for my Barbie dolls, you know, like food and stuff. So you can make anything out of this. You can buy it from anywhere, and it's just air dry. So you have to make it and then it'll dry in the air, and when it dries, it'll become like a miniature thing that you can make. So first of all, I'm gonna move all these clays aside over there. And I'm going to move my utensils up here, and I'm going to move the screen down. So here is the screen. So I'm going to be making an ice cream, so I'm using peach for the cone and pink for the ice cream. And my brother, he's going to be making a star, so this is for the face of the star, and he's going to be using a yellow base for the star. And so I just wanted to see, like, I want to open this in front of you guys because I really want to see what's actually in here. So let's open it. Let's see what's in here. Oop. Whoa, there's a lot of stuff. There's these thingies. I think, oh, sorry. I think these things are like for earrings, or they're just nails, but that's cool. These bells, wee. We have a hair clip, silver, so you can put like a character or something right on there. We have, oh, we have keychain type of thingies. And we have a ring. Oh, we have a normal ring you can just put something on. That's so adorable. That's so nice of them putting this stuff in here. We have a bobby pin. And it has like a little flat surface so you can put your modeling clay on there. And we have like this thingy. We have some other, yeah, we have a lot of cool stuff. So I'm just going to put this back in there. Alrighty, so we're all ready. And we just decided on the last second that we're going to be making a keychain. So I got one and he got one. So let's get started. Let's open this up. Oh, the clay. It's really soft. Oh, here. Oh, it feels so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, I just need to stretch this in front of you guys because I need to show you how soft this clay is. It's so soft and it kind of feels like watery-ish. It just feels so weird, but it feels so good. It's like cloud slime. Just think like that. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Okay, let's get to the main point. Let's make our thing. So I'm going to be taking a little bit. Get off. There. It's like elasticy. I think it's a little too much. Alrighty. You want me to help you?
Yeah.
I think that's enough. Let's put this back in here before it dries.
Yeah.
You want to make sure you have a container, like a plastic box, just like this, so you can store your modeling air dry clay in here. So let's model it. Let's see, how would a cone be like? So I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna make the cone shape like, kind of like, okay, I think this is a little too much. How much less do we need? I think this is enough. Okay, this is enough. You have to find the exact proportion to make like the exact same thing. So it's so soft, guys. Seriously. And we're also going to be using these tools right here so it can help us. Oh, you need help. So you're going to make a star, right?
Yeah.
You should model it with your hands, maybe. You want to make it like pinch the sides, kind of. Oh, we need one more. Whoops. Let's see here. We can make one right here. It's so soft, but it's so also flimsy. It's kind of hard to work with. Oh yeah, you're right. It's like foam. There you go. There's your kind of starish shape.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Alrighty, well then I'm working here with my ice cream cone. I still haven't got this done yet. But now I'm going to be adding... Alrighty, I'm almost done with it. Whoa. Oh. Show it in front of the camera.
Oh, this feels so cool, guys.
Okay, now he's going to make the eyes and stuff for it. So I'm going to be using this thingy. I think I'll do that at the end. But, whoa! Feeling of fresh clay.
I love this clay.
I'm sorry, it just feels so good.
No.
Let's take a little bit. Oh, what's this?
Oh, it's like really sticky too. Like whenever you pull it, it's like really sticky.
Yeah, it's kind of sticky too. Let's put that back in here. Okay. Still kind of wiggle. And
here's my star, guys, so far.
That's really good.
Thanks.
Okay, so now I'm going to get my ice cream cone. And I'm going to wrap the ice cream around. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. Look at that, guys. I love my ice cream cone. It's so awesome.
So cool.
Thank you. Do you mind I can use your black ice cream?
Sure.
I mean, I'm thinking of ice cream so much, I called it ice cream. So let me use some of this to make the eyes that cute. Whoa, this is really watery.
Oh.
Let's kind of mix it up a little, because I think, whoa. Yeah, let's just kind of, play with it. So, because I also got instructions in it, but I didn't show it to you guys. It says that you can add 2 to 3 drops to if the clay is dry and you need to use it again. So I think they put water in here and then they give it to us. Ta-da! Oh, that is adorable. But I think you should make the mouth and the eyes a little smaller.
Okay.
So how about we do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we should do it.
Oh well, it's already stuck on, so that's fine.
I'll show you.
Now let's, no, it's fine. Okay. That's so cute. I love it so much.
Thanks.
Now let's put the little hook in there. Let me just show it on camera right here. I'm going to be putting the hook right in there. And well, then he's going to be playing with his black putty,
Yeah.
as he calls it. And I'm going to be making an ice cream.
Oh, this feels so cool.
I know, right?
It feels like exactly like foam.
I know. And foam, like, is also amazing. So
Yeah.
there's my eyeball. And
Oh my, this feels so cool.
oh, careful, careful. There you go, I did
That
it.
looks so good.
Now I need to get a really tiny, tiny mouth.
Yeah, like a tiny, tiny mouth. Oh my gosh, guys, the feeling of this is like amazing.
Yeah.
Like really amazing. Oh, it feels so cool.
Okay.
I really want to play with the yellow slime so bad. I mean,
Slime?
Putty.
It's clay.
It looks so confusing though, right?
I'm just gonna take this mouth off.
Yeah, I'm gonna play with the yellow one. Let's
Little
put
messy.
it back. Ah! It just flipped. Boop. And now I'm gonna play with the yellow slime.
It's not.
Putty. Why did
Clay.
I mean clay.
I'm gonna be using one of these tools to make the mouth.
It looks like it has a teeny nose, guys.
I know, right?
You should show
A
them.
little tiny, teeny nose.
Yeah. Teeny, teeny nose. Oh, this one is like really slimy too. Like really wet. Like wet, yeah, wet.
Okay. We'll be back when our guys are done. Here are our masterpieces. Well, one thing you need to know is that this thing dries really fast, and I kind of messed up on the mouth like a million times. And I also, while I, was doing it, I also made a cherry, and the cherry had a little big stem on it. And it's now really starting to dry, so it's kind of getting kind of rubbery kind of feeling. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video for what we make for our dolls. Bye guys!